Alright, so I wanted to come on and walk through kind of a process of creating a vision board, mood board, goals board for the year. And so I wanted to show you guys, this is from January 2020, and this is June through December 2020. And so basically what I like to do is I go on Pinterest and I look up kind of different, well, first I like to go through and set kind of some goals for the year. This is from 2020, and I do have a whole video about goal setting in my bullet journal that I'll link in the description box below. So I kind of do that, and then I go through Pinterest and I pull images that match and correlate with those goals. And then I put them in a publisher document and kind of arrange it as a collage and print it off. So this I just printed on regular normal white paper and taped it in. And then this I actually printed on white sticker paper, and so you can see some of the images are the same, and some of them were a little bit different. So what I have done now for 2021 is so I had made this Who Am I little thing, but I realized I wanted 2 pages for pictures just because these pages are a little bit smaller. And so I moved the Who Am I to earlier. And then I'm going to use, this is white sticker paper, and I'm going to use it to cover this whole page. And then I'll have 2 pages. And so I went through, and Juan and I kind of talked about some goals for 2021. I have kind of 12 areas or categories I like to set goals in. So from like our relationship, fitness, food, job, creative faith, friends, home, rest, fun recreation, faith, finances, family, that's like our extended family. So we kind of talked through those, and then I went to Pinterest and I also like pulled some similar images from, I have like a Pinterest board with a bunch of these images that I can kind of, because often I have similar focuses for each year. And so then I went through and I pulled a bunch of images, and I also this year thought it'd be fun to use like some of my own pictures, which I've never done before. So like I printed off some pictures of our family, I printed off a picture of my planner, bullet journal stack. I have a video walking through all of these that I'll link in the description box below, but I thought that would be kind of fun. So that was a little bit different that I haven't done before. I don't typically use pictures that I have taken. It's mostly just like stock images from online, but I kind of like that. I think it makes it way more personal. So these are kind of some of the images of my own family and whatnot. Hopefully I made these small enough. So now I'm going to, I think I might kind of like group them by category and kind of arrange them on the page that way. So like kind of do all the ones of Juan and I and our family in one area, and then have kind of like creative faith in one area, and maybe like health and wellness in one area. This kind of goes along with Juan and I. I thought that was really cute. I want to kind of maybe learn to embroider this year. Thought that would maybe be fun. So just kind of arranging them in different categories. I thought that was kind of cool, this line image of a person. So that kind of goes along with health and wellness. I want to play more board games and kind of get more creative. So I liked those images. Take more time to read. I love reading. Here's kind of a couple goals, which maybe I'll put that. Hopefully someday that will come true for my husband. So I think I had another home one, or maybe I took it out. Maybe I decided just to do, oh, there they are. So anyways, now I am, now that I've covered it, I'm going to kind of move it off to the side and I'll put it on time lapse again and glue them down. So people always ask me about how do I make a vision board or a goals board or a mood board, because I don't think that like because I have these in my planner they're all going to come true. It's not kind of like that. It's more of areas I want to focus on, and I'm a really visual person, so having visual reminders of these things is really helpful for me. So now I will glue, well, it's all on white sticker paper, which is really nice because I don't need to use glue. So I'm going to adhere them all down and then show you guys the final layout.